Before starting the lab, you want to make sure that everyone's in proper lab attire. Hair pulled back, goggles, long pants, and closed-toed shoes. Next, we pour the stock solution in blue water into 2 separate empty beakers to make 3 new concentrated solutions. Using a graduated pipette, we'll draw the stock solution into the pipette and record the initial volume. The initial volume is read at the meniscus and recorded as 0.50 milliliters. Next, the stock solution is transferred into the volumetric flask and the final volume is recorded as 4.41 milliliters. We determine that 3.91 milliliters has been delivered to the volumetric flask, and we continue to add stock solution until 6.35 milliliters has been delivered. Now we draw the water into the graduated pipette to transfer to the volumetric flask in order to make our dilution. Continue to add the blue water to the volumetric flask until the meniscus reaches the 25 milliliter mark. We'll use the dilution equation C1V1 equals C2V2 to determine the new concentration of our solution. C1 represents the concentration of the stock solution, V1 is the volume of the stock solution delivered to the volumetric flask, V2 is the new volume of the solution, and C2 is the concentration of the new solution. We can manipulate the equation to find out the concentration of the new solution by plugging in the variables. It is determined that the new concentration for this solution is 5.08%. We continue the same process 2 more times to make 2 more diluted solutions of 2% concentration and 20% concentration. Once the experiment is completed, we pour out all of our solutions into the sink and thoroughly rinse any instruments we used. We wipe up any spills made during the experiment and make sure that the lab station is returned to the state we found it in.